Welcome back, day 60 something. Got lots of new stuff. I'm gonna start using some of these materials up. Oh no, it's all twisty now.
I think that was just recent though. I'd like that one in the house. Is it heavy? Oh, you have to think really skinny. I would never be able to bring.
What's in the box? The cinematic diesel shot. You got scared. Well, we're gonna see if we could finish up the pantry today. Get these last couple panels in here, get the last pieces of sheetrock on.
These kids love all this.
Oh, my shadow. Got our corner beads trimmed to the right size. We're gonna get those on there. Well, it's the next day. We didn't quite get the pantry finished, but we're going to change these boxes out now because we ended up doing paneling in here, so it's really thin, and these were made for 1/2-inch sheetrock. But of course they can't scoot back anymore on this 2x4, so we got to replace them with these little guys here. Got to take those out, slide it back further, put these ones in. Alright, got both of those put back in there. Now we'll get the last of this paneling in and see if we can get the sheetrock on the ceiling, insulate that little spot, put the lights in, and this pantry's ready to go. So we're going to try using my roto-zip to cut out this plug hole. I haven't tried using this on anything other than sheetrock, so we'll see how it goes. Well, definitely wasn't the right bit for that, so it didn't cut very good, but it worked okay until I went off course right here. I don't know what I'm gonna do to fix that, but I'll figure something out. Maybe some silicone. Get this other side on.
I was just gonna say you faded.
Show her the respirator. Alright, we got that one all nailed off. Oh, I need to put a couple more nails here, never mind. A couple more nails right there, but other than that, we're gonna do this square up here, then we're gonna do these 2 rectangles, and then we're probably just gonna use scraps to piece this together because it's gonna be hidden behind the door trim anyways. Once the door jamb goes in, then there'll be trim all the way across that, so we just have to put it in there to keep our depth right and equal to the piece up top. So we'll probably use scraps. Alright, we finally got all our paneling done, so we're gonna cut these 2 squares of sheetrock. This pantry might finally be done. Kinda, until I do all the trim and paint it and do the floor and put the door in.
He's missed a spot.
Don't look right there. This is the
No, that's the 37. Oh.
Bam. That felt like a lot of work for such a little room. Well, we got a visitor at the new house. Let's go up. I'll give you guys a close-up. Hey, Gunner.